Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with Fairy Wheel. This is a beautiful stitch and it can be used as one of the granny squares in your projects. So this comes under the series of granny square. This is a way of making granny squares, and there is a wheel in the center, hence it is called as Fairy Wheel. So let us go into the video immediately friends. Chain 8, slip stitch and join, slip stitch in the first chain and join to form a ring. You can chain 3 is considered as first DC, otherwise make a standing twisted double crochet and pick up your stitch marker or stitch lock and place it under this V, because we're going to slip stitch and join at this particular point. Place 15 more DCs in the ring. I shall place 15 more DCs in the ring and get back. I have placed 15 DCs. Now slip stitch to the very first third chain of the chain 3 if you've done chain 3, otherwise on top of the first DC slip stitch and join. Again you either chain 3 and continue or make a double crochet, chain 1 so that you lock this and make a double crochet in the very first DC, standing twisted double crochet, bring it behind, yes, chain 2, place a double crochet in the very next double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next. So this is the stitch repeat for this particular round, second round. So chain 2 DC on SC, chain 2 DC on SC, continue till this beginning DC. I shall meet you at this particular point. Now we need to slip stitch and join here. Instead of that, chain 1 and a single crochet in the first DC, so that will bring us to the middle of this chain space, and here place 2 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets under chain 2 space, so chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. That is the stitch pattern. I shall meet at the end of this round here. Chain 1, place the last double crochet in the very first chain under the chain 3, chain 2, slip stitch and join to the very first DC that we did here, slip stitch to the next DC, slip stitch to the chain 1 space. So under this chain 1 space, chain 1 and place a single crochet, chain 3, place a single crochet under the next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet under the next chain 3 space, so chain 3, single crochet under the next chain 3 please. Now chain 6, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Now chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 1 space 3 times, again make the corner, then chain 3, single crochet 3 times, corner, 3 times corner, continue the stitch pattern till the end of this round. I shall meet you at the end of this round here. Chain 6 in the last corner, and slip stitch to the first single crochet and slip stitch into the next chain 3 space. and either chain 3 and begin, or make a standing twisted double crochet number 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 DCs in the next chain 3 space, three DCs on the next chain 3 space, under chain 6, that is the corner, 5 DCs, chain 3, 5 DCs. Place 5 DCs, chain 3, 5 DCs. I shall place and get back. So this is the stitch repeat on every side. 3 DCs under every 3 chain space, and in the corners 5 DC, chain 3, 5 DC. Continue on every side this stitch pattern. I shall meet you where I began. I have completed this round and I have come to the place where I started. Now I need to slip stitch. So remove the hook, insert the hook into the very first stitch from behind, pull up this loop, and pull a loop and secure. Now this next round, round 6 is a DC row. Place 1 DC on each of these DCs, and in the chain space, that is a corner, you make 1 DC, chain 3, 1 DC. That is as simple. So begin with a either chain 3 or a standing twisted double crochet, then 1 DC each in each of the next DCs, so continue, and in the corner place 1 DC, chain 3, 1 DC, and continue placing 1 DC each on each of the DCs, and continue all around. I shall also continue, complete the stitches and get back to you. So I placed all the DCs. Hope you too have placed all the DCs. Now we come to the end here where we need to slip stitch and join, or just pull up the loop a little bit and cut this yarn and pull it out. Now this is the first stitch we made, this is the second. So insert your hook from behind the second stitch and pull up, pick up the yarn and pull through behind. And now this is the last stitch we did. So insert your hook from behind in the back loop from bottom to top and pick up this yarn and pull through. So your invisible join has been made. So you won't know where it is joined when we place. So there is no slip stitch anywhere here. Okay, now you can hide this yarn behind the stitches. So friends, hope you enjoyed this Ferris wheel. This is Ferris wheel. Hope you enjoyed this video too, and if you make this pattern, do post in our comments your work as well as your feedback. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you will be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share our videos too so that it reaches the maximum number of people around the world. Thank you friends for watching once again. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.